Okay, we're going to talk about managing your menu system. Basically, we have a few menus in here, from your main menu to the quick little links that are right here under your subscribe section, and the 3 custom menus in the footer area. All this can be done under appearance and then menus. And what we'll see is 5 total menus right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Main menu, of course, would be your main menu right here. And just in case you're not familiar with how menus work in WordPress, I'll go over it real quick. If we look over here, we have our pages, we have categories from the blog. Let's assume that we want to add, let's see, what do we have in here? Let's do video tutorials in the main menu. Let's just assume we want to add that to new pages created. I check it, I select, make sure I'm in the menu that I want, which is main. Add the menu. It's going to populate right here in the bottom. And if I save, I'll come back to the front, refresh it. Now it's in my main toolbar. Okay, now let's assume that maybe I want to put video tutorials as a drop down, but I want to put it under services. Pretty easy. It's got a neat little drag and drop feature. Just put that little hand over it, click on it, don't release the mouse, drag it up, put it under the parent menu. So services is the parent, and make sure you get that little indent. See that little indent with the dotted line that goes around that gray box? That's what we want. That means it's now the child to this parent. So if I now save, refresh here a little bit, you see now that video tutorials is no longer here, but in fact we're under services. And same thing, so if I wanted to keep adding menus as a drop down, you would do that just like it is on the test page. See how these are sitting under that? That's how we take care of that. Another quick little neat thing is you can change the navigation label. So this page is called video tutorials. Maybe because there's not enough room in the menu or whatever the case may be, maybe I just want it to be called videos. So I can change navigation label, go ahead and hit save, come back here, let me refresh. And now what I should see is just videos. But if I come to the page, I will see the original name and the address bar, which is video tutorials, as well as here. So you can actually play with the names and change it up so that it works and fits for you. Okay, another thing is the footer areas. I'm not going to really go over the menu below the newsletter because it's just your terms of use and privacy policy. I'm not sure what you'll really be doing with that. But these right here we can edit and work with. So if I come to common questions, maybe you don't want this to be common questions. Maybe you want this to be called FAQs. FAQs. Okay, save this. Alright. Now we'll see in the menu is this, FAQs. That is now our new name. See that? So if I come and refresh, I now have FAQs. So these names you can change to whatever you would like, and you can add in whatever pages or articles that you want. These are custom pages, so right now they don't do anything. And a custom page, just in case you're not sure, is maybe you're linking this somewhere else other than a page or a section you've created in your website. Maybe this is going to link to WordPress or .com, or this is going to link to some other website. This is what you would do. You type in the URL, and then you'd make the name right here. So test name. That would be your link where it's linking to, and then you'll see it's right here. So if I save it, and I come and look at the footer, now I have test name. Now I don't want to confuse you, these do not have to be custom. These just right now are custom because that's what we set up, because it's just some dummy content right now. Just like all the other menu items, you can you can add whatever from this side over to here as well. That's up to you and how you want to set that up. And they do drag and drop just like the other ones. You cannot do sub menus, this won't work. Okay? And so we have FAQs, your services and problems we treat, which are these right here. And we'll go ahead and put the FAQs one back. The common questions. Let's see, save this. And then you'll see it updates right here. See, it's all tied in together. So make sure these match up as you use them. That's pretty much it for menus.